Here's another dog story that I found. Ellie said she wanted a dog story. Vin didn't make any requests, but I know he likes puppies, so we'll see what this one's all about. It's called Hey Dog. The dog is there when I walk home from school. He's crouched in a bush. Hey, dog, I say. All bones he runs. It's a little doggy hiding in the bushes. I saw a dog, I tell my mom. He looked hungry. Where is he? She asks. By our big tree, but he ran. Oh, the little boy is concerned about the puppy, and his mama wants to help him. We go to see, but the dog is gone. I leave water in my frisbee for when he returns. For when? That's hope, Mom would say. Put some water out for him. That night I can't sleep. I bet dog's starving hungry and cold. I slip out and bring him my baby quilt. Carefully, 'cause dog doesn't know me. I leave him some more water and some saved up meatballs from my dinner. Oh, he's trying to help the dog. He gives him a blanket, some water, and some meatballs. Hey, dog. Hey, it's me, I whisper, soft as soft. I want him to love my voice. I can't see him, but I know he's back in the bush, in the dark. I hear the leaves shiver. Before school, I tiptoe out. The meatballs are gone. Dog's there, all right. Hey, dog, I say, soft as can be. Nothing. He's not coming out. Well, he's taking care of the dog anyway. The dog is still kind of afraid. Where the leaves thin, I can see he's skinny as a pin, with no tags, but he has scars. He won't look at me. He's so scared, he's shaking all over. Don't be afraid, dog, I say. It's me. Slowly I lean down and leave a hunk of my sandwich. So's not to spook him, I don't run. After school, I'm back. The sandwich is gone. Dog's hunched in his hiding place. Hey, dog. Hey, it's me. He cringes like I might hit him. Poor dog. Oh, dog, I whisper, I would never. How could anybody do that? Tears warm my face. I tell him, I won't hurt you, I promise. But he doesn't trust me. He stays put. Poor dog. Mom, I think somebody hurt dog, I say that night. Why do you think that? He has scars, bad ones, and he's real flinchy. Why would someone harm a dog? Dogs are good. Mom looks at me with steady eyes and says fiercely, some people are not as good as dogs. Dog must be lonely. So when I can, I stop and talk to him. I give him water and sneak him some snacks. Vincent likes snacks, huh? Maybe Vincent would share his snacks with the dog. Every time I tell him, I won't hurt you. You can trust me, dog. Every time he doesn't. Mom, I ask, may I feed dog? I don't mention the treats I've been leaving. Okay, just don't get too close. If somebody hurt him, he might hurt back. We buy dog food. I pay with my money. I want dog to be my very own if he ever comes out. At the store, I fire questions. Is this the healthiest? Is it your best? Is it the most luscious? He wants to get special food for the dog. I dish out a frisbee full of dog food, all in slow motion. I set it down, then I sit by the bush. Mom stands close. Dog, I say in my pleading voice, you have to eat. This food is very luscious. To show him, I pretend to taste it. He belly creeps from hiding just a little bit, sniffing, drooling. But he doesn't fall for the dog food trick. We go, but when I glance back, I grin. Dog is wolfing that food down. I poke Mom to show her, and she looks almost as happy as I am. Next day, the frisbee has been licked clean. I sit down to talk with Dog about that. Good dog, I tell him. You have to eat all your food to grow up strong. He's taking such good care of the dog. You must make signs, Mom says, to say you've found him. Yeah, I mumble. Deep down, I've known that all along. So I write something short. I make the words as mysterious as I can, so the bad people won't find him. Found. Dog. What kind of dog? Not sure. What color's the dog? Not sure. Eyes? Yes, he has eyes. He's a funny little boy. He wants to make sure the dog gets to stay with him. Do it over, says Mom. But I'm not sure. He's dirty, so I can't tell much about him. Do it over. Mom's having him do the right thing and trying to find who the dog belongs to. But if they're the people that hurt the dog, the little boy doesn't want to give the dog back. I put the found dog signs up. Then I hope like crazy that those bad ones don't read it and come for him. I hope so hard that night it rains. In bed, I close my eyes and imagine all my signs getting soggy, then sagging, slopping, slumping to the ground. I smile and snuggle down. Then, no, I shout. If it's raining, dog's getting soggy too. He might get pneumonia even. I grab Mom's umbrella and slurp out bare feet through the rain and pitch the umbrella like a tent over Dog. I go slowly so he won't freak out. I slop back home, sopping but happy. Now the Dog's got his very own little roof. He's taking such good care of that Dog. I go out at still dark. The rain is gone. Stars are out sparkling up the sky, and Dog is there waiting for me. Look at that. It took a while, but he's getting used to the boy. He knows the little boy won't hurt him. For the first time, I really see him, a beauty, all wet, rumpled, scarred, and supremely muddy. Hey, Dog, I say. Slow, slow, I push my bunched fist toward him. That's safer than offering fingers. My heart is really beating. I'm not breathing. Then Dog comes close. His fear is gone. He looks at me with soft eyes. And guess what? He licks my hand. I can barely say a word, but at least I whisper to him. At last I whisper to him. Hey, Dog, come on, let's go home. Oh, he gets to pet the dog. What a cute story.